Use the graph of f of x equal to the absolute value of x in order to obtain the graph of -1 multiplied with the absolute value of x plus 3. Now, in order to graph this, I'm going to first rewrite g of x so that it matches the generical form. After that, I'm going to follow these 3 steps and graph g of x. So here, I can begin by writing g of x as -1 multiplied with the absolute value of x plus 0, and then we're going to add a 3. Since I'm not doing a horizontal shift on my new function g of x, I'm just going to emphasize that I'm adding by 0. Now I can match each variable to a specific quantity. Beginning with -1, that's going to be the slope, that's going to be a. 0 is going to be h, and then my k value is going to be +3. I'm going to begin by recording the vertex. And my vertex for this example is going to be at 0, +3. And then that's where I'm going to begin my graph. So I'm going to begin at the origin, and then I'm going to go up 3 units, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to create the axis of symmetry. I'm going to do that in green, because that's where I'm going to be reflecting all of my points once I use the slope, and my slope is -1. So beginning at the origin, I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1. And I'm going to keep doing that process, down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1. And I'm going to be getting these diagonals to the vertex. Now that I have one side, I can begin to reflect each point. Notice that this point is 1 distance away from the line of symmetry, so the reflection has to also be 1 point away. The next point is 2 distances away, so I'm going to reflect 1, 2 distances away. And in doing so, I'm also going to get these specific points diagonal to my vertex. Now that I have all of the points, I can begin connecting them to make the graph of the function g of x, which is negative absolute value of x plus 3.